go through the letters and the sounds for you, and you want to make a note where this is in your videotape so you can come back and refer to this, because I'm going to say the sounds to you clearly so that you can make sure you're saying the sounds clearly and teaching the sounds clearly to your students. This is C, cat, k. A, apple, a. O, octopus, ah. T, table, t. H, hat, h. L, lips, o. M, money, m. G, goat, g. D, dog, d. Now see how small that is? It's not duh, it's d. So you have to say it kind of softly. J, juggle, j. I, itchy, I. K, kite, k. P, pizza, p. CH, chin, ch. U, up, B, bat, b. R, rat, It's kind of a growling sound. And your tongue is kind of pointing toward the roof of your mouth. F, fan, f. N, nut, n. E, eddy, eh. S, sad, s. SH, ship, sh. TH, them, th. You stick your tongue out. This is the one that vibrates, that uses your voice. Th, them. W, web, w. WH, whip, w. V, Valentine, v. Y, yo-yo, y. TH, thumb, th. So this is a TH that's not voice. Still stick your tongue out, but there's no voice sound. Th, th. X, box, x. Z, zipper, z. QU, queen, qua. And so next we're going to look at the blends and the sounds of the blends, and we don't have keywords for these blends because they're not really new sounds, they're just combinations of sounds, but it is beneficial to learn them also as blends as well as single letters put together. So we have bowl, coal, full, goal, pole, soul, st, sp, burr, dur, gur, per, cur, fur, tur, sk, sn, sk, twa, swa, sm, squa, st, nt, pt, nd, mp, sp, olt, olk, ulp, sk, nch, ft, olm, kst, kt, ulf, skr, shur, stir, spol, spur, and ch. And now we're going to move to the big phoneme cards, and there also are syllable division cards in here and syllable types. And we've put the short vowels in here for extra emphasis. So at first this would be O, octopus, ah, just like in the other cards. But later on, after lesson 53, when we've had open syllables, this also stands for the sound O in an open syllable. So at that point, the student would say ah in a closed syllable, O in an open syllable. A in a closed syllable, A in an open syllable. I in a closed syllable, I in an open syllable. E in a closed syllable, E in an open syllable. In a closed syllable, U or U in an open syllable. Then we have ing, ong, ung, ang, ink, onk, unk, ink. A consonant E, game A. O consonant E, joke O. I consonant E, time I. E consonant E, Pete E. U consonant E, cute flute, oo and U. These are closed syllables. ER, her, You kind of pucker your lips a little bit. For that sound. EA, eat, E. EA, bread, eh. So we remember eat bread to remember those two sounds. OA, boat, O. AI, brain, A. IR, bird, It's the same sound as ER. EE, feed, E. AY, play, A. OE, toe, O. UR, church, So we have IR, ER, and UR that all say and I teach my kids the sentence, her bird is in the church, to remember those three sounds, and sometimes I'll draw a picture of that on the blackboard. OW, owl, plow. OWO, snow. We remember snow plow to remember those two sounds. OU, owl, mouse. OU, soup. We remember mouse soup to remember those two sounds. IGH, fight, I. These are consonant LE syllables. Full, goal, zol, coal. Toll, dole, bowl, pole. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. OO, school, oo. OO, book, We remember school book to remember those two sounds. Y, happy, E. Y, fly, I. We remember happy fly to remember those two sounds, the vowel sounds of Y. AU, August, awe. AW, awesome, awe. ED has three sounds, id, t, and d. All, ball, alt, salt, wall, walrus, awk, talk, wah, want. Special sounds for those. OI, boy, oi. OI, coin, oi. C followed by EI or Y spells S. G followed by EI or Y usually spells J. Ild, old, eind, ost. Faster, ist, fastest. These are 4 more ways to spell oo. These are 3 more ways to spell e. These are 2 more ways to spell I. These are 2 more ways to spell a. War, warm, were, work, qua, squash, quar, quarter. These are 6 ways to spell air in the English language. Silent letter lesson. Chur as in capture. Un as in unhappy. Re as in repaint. Ibble, ubble as in visible. Able as in likable. In as in broken. Full, useful. Nis, sadness. Lis, helpless. Idge, garbage. Mint, pavement. Lee, friendly. Doctor. Dollar. Silent letters. Is, famous. Addition, shun. Question, chun. 2 sounds of T-I-O-N. Mansion, shun. Vision, jun. Shun and jun. Sh, social. Sh, Martian. Zh, Asia. Uri, slavery. Airy, ordinary. Uri, memory. Ints, balance. Ints, sentence. So those are the sounds in the